Hello everybody, 46 Blitz 8 here for 643boxbreaks.com, and it's, what time is it now? It's 9:03 Eastern Time on Sunday, June 29th. Good day to y'all. So I'm doing my 3-box multi. We have 13-14 artifacts, we got 13-14 game used, and we have a new hot stuff. It is the new Contenders. So this is my first attempt, or my first break of Contenders. I'm looking forward to that. So again, this is a 3-box multi. So here is the roster. I'll shut that off right now. iPhone blast. Okay, so this is a YouTube reference number 390. The actual listing said, the title for the listing said 386. I apologize for that. It is actually number 390. I forgot to change the that number 386 to 390 on my template. So I apologize for that. So this is a 13-14 triple stack, 3-box break. It is Contender, artifacts, game used, and Contenders. So, Adam Canik, you have the Devils. Blues 87, you have the Predators, Rangers, and the Canadians. Powerball, you have the Wings, Flyers, Leafs, Penguins, Oilers, Avalanche, and the Islanders. I think the Islanders are the last straggling team there. You clean those up, Jack. Thank you very much. Cody C, you have the Jets and Jackets. Harveg, you have the Sabres. Johnny Canucks, you have the Panthers and Blues. Paul, P123PC, you have the Canucks, Kings, Stars, and the Bruins. Argendron, how are you? I think it's the first time we've been on my break, so I apologize for the screw up on your name. Tampa Bay Lightning are yours. Skeet 93, you have your Wild. The Real Candidate, you have the Coyotes, Flames, and your Blackhawks. T-Both 88, you have the Ducks and Hurricanes. Linda Scouts, you have your Sharks. And DJ Nell's Mommy has the Canucks and Senators. So that's the roster. Call him Rich. Okay. So, alright, cool. I'll try to remember that. Alright, so a bonus for now from all my breaks from now moving forward. It is my Blitz Bucks cashback bonus. So everybody that spent any money on this break gets 5% cash back. And you can use that 5% cash back as turns into Blitz Bucks, just for a catchy name. You can use that to buy stuff. So there's a listing or a link in the listing that you bought to the Blitz Bucks tracker and the prize vault and rules about how the thing works. So go check that out. But everybody that got into this break gets 5% cash back for every penny that you spent. So that is my bonus for every break going forward from now on. That's multis, single boxes, and auctions. All right, so let's do the Contenders last. I like all three of these products so far. So we'll start with the artifacts. For the camcorder first, ending in 152. And for the exploit video, 152. Yeah, as of right now, I tallied it up. I've got people have accumulated almost $240 in Blitz Bucks that have to be cashed out. So please use them. The money is yours to use. So if anybody has any money, Blitz Bucks on there, use them up. They don't expire, but get while the getting's good, as they say. Artifact time, my personal favorite of the early releases, anyway. All right, starting off. Let's do it. All right, we have Jeff Skinner, Mike Goulet. Base cards, we have a redemption. Show that redemption in a second here. Base card, Yager. And Spacer. All right, we have a very good for the Jack is going to be happy with this. We have an Artifacts top rookie signatures of Nail Yakupov. I think you've heard of that guy, and I believe he goes to Edmonton. Just checking. I might have to check that. Just kidding. Nail Yakupov for Edmonton. That is Bummer Boy. Congratulations, Jack. First hit is a whopper. That's yours. A whopper. Congratulations. I didn't know there was redemptions in that. Oh, here's the patch. Base card. Base. Staging. Greening. And for the Buffalo Sabres, we have a jersey patch out of 75, the Emerald variety. Drew Stafford. And Buffalo. That is property of Harvey. Congratulations. Nice hit for you. So, 2 big hits out of the box. I don't know what's left. Might be boring from here on into this box. Power check base. We got Team Canada of the very young Joe Thornton. And that is going to San Jose, of course. That is numbered out of 999. Looks a little older and more grizzled nowadays. Babyface picture there. Sakic base. Carter. Guinea Malkin. And we have a rookie for the Colorado Avalanche. Calvin Pickard. Out of 999. I forgot to call San Jose. San Jose is the Linda Scouts, and Colorado is Bummerway. So congratulations, another hit. Rookie card. Main set rookie. And another weird packaged box. I got a hit on top for some reason. I had this happen the last time too. Last time I had 2 patches in it though, so it wasn't a bad thing. So, Giguère for Colorado. Goalie insert Ruby out of 299. Yalyakupov top rookie autograph. And the Stafford Emerald patch jersey. Bobby Ryan, Little Brian Little, and we have the Artifact Redemption for the New Jersey Devils. And New Jersey is Adam Kanek, and that is red 2. Focus. Red 217. Don't know who that is, but it's going to New Jersey, so it doesn't really matter at this point. Getzlaff. And we have a Tundra Tandems for the Vancouver Canucks. We've got Luongo and Kessler. Both no longer Canucks, I believe. Kessler got traded, didn't he? Or he got bought out. Something happened to him. DG Nelsmami. That's the Canucks. I thought I heard him something happened to him. Stafford. Ruby rookie of Johan Larsson for the Sabres. Does say Sabres there, even though it's pictured in Minnesota. And you can see the Sabres logo on the back. So that's Harveg. That's out of 299. It's Ruby version. That's right. Another jersey in here. For the Montreal Canadiens, we have a stunning white jersey of Carey Price out of 125. Montreal is PJ. And the final pack of artifacts. We have Stahl. And we have a Emerald Parallel, the green one. 99 Slava Voinov for LA. LA is Paul. Live thing, and a couple of base. Alright. Oh yeah? Good for him. Yeah, I was fast asleep when that one went live. SP Game Used. 412. Serial for the camcorder. 412 for the XSplit video. We are sealed. We are ready to go. One, two, three, four, five, and a spacer. Alright, what do we got? We got Bossy Base, Hartnell Base, and, ooh, nice, for the Montreal Canadiens, authentic rookie autograph of Alex Galchenyuk. Heard of that guy? That's PJ's, owning Montreal. Ranford, Windros, and Brodeur Base. The last box was kind of a dud, so I'm really hoping there's something better in this one. Malkin, Toulouse, whatever. We have a authentic fabrics for the Los Angeles Kings. We have Kopitar, Quick, and Doughty. White, black, respectively. LA is Paul. There's Yari Curry and Backstrom. Alright, we got Taylor Hall, we got Naslund, and we have something red. Team Canada Fabrics of Nathan Beaulieu. Nathan Beaulieu, which I believe that is Montreal. I have to look that one up. I don't know. I don't recall that one offhand. So that one had to be looked up. Nathan Beaulieu, Team Canada, prime jersey, or two-color jersey anyway. Stahl. Card looks a little different. Gloss is a little funny. Montreal. Okay, we got a call from Montreal, so unofficially, as of now, it's PJ's. Alright, this box needs help. Is this the pack? Subban, or Mike Smith Subban, and we have an authentic fabrics of Brian Elliott for the Blues. St. Louis is Johnny Canucks. Paul Coffey and Brett Hull. And the final pack. This box needs help. Help. Yeah. Another autograph, I think. Hopefully it's somebody good. Giroux from the back. Tavares. We have Bobby Orr. Evander Kane. And we have a authentic rookies for the Dallas Stars. Jack Campbell. So double auto. Dallas is Paul. So there we go. Oh, another base card there. Right, well, that box wasn't all that great, unfortunately. Alright, so now it's Contenders time. Gotta move the serial level. There we go. We have a camcorder ending in 053 for the XSplit video. 053. Alright, we'll go with that, Mike. Yeah, Galchenyuk was nice. I shouldn't say it was a totally bust box, but don't need that. Alright, so is this my first breaking of Contenders? Empty box. So what is this, 18 packs? Yep. 18 packs 3 autos, as stated on the box. However, I've yet to see one that only has 3 autos on it. So hopefully, we'll see what we can do. All right, we have those are the base cards. Base, 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 and base. Those are all base cards, right? Yep, they're all base. Hell of a start. All right. Mike Smith, Bobby Ryan, Chris. Oh, this one. No, that's a base card too. All base cards. It appears. All right, we'll get those out of the way. These pads are super thick, or super thin. You got a base, Drew. What's going on here? Those look like base cards too. So 3 base packs. Oh, there's 9 bases. Okay. Also, I'm going slow, just to be sure. Base card of Varlamov, Couturier. All right. Another base, all base pack. That was thicker. Alright, we got something in here. If not, it's a spacer. We'll see. Ginla, Glenn Cross. Alright, we have a Contenders insert here. Contenders Legacy of Stevie Y out of 499 for Detroit. What a lousy card. Half the card is black. That's for Detroit. I was not a clear box. Yeah, Bergeron, Vanek. Okay, this one's upside down, so maybe this is an auto. Yes, we have an autograph. It is, again, Jack Campbell for the Dallas Stars. Second auto of his. There you go, rookie auto for Dallas. And Dallas is Paul. Anderson and Fleury. Jimmy Howard, Crawford, Subban, and Campbell and Marlowe. All base again. Yandel, Spezza, and we have a Norris Contenders for the Tampa Bay Lightning. It is Matthew Carl. Matthew Carl. I thought it was usually Matt Carl out of 499. First taste for Tampa Bay. That is Rich. No. Argendron. I forget what your name is already. Mike just told me. I can't remember. Couple of base. I hope I'm not missing anything. What was a Subban? That one? Don't see anything on it. Looks like a base card. I don't mind. No problem at all. I don't want to miss anything. Sneaky parallels and whatnot. All right, we got Hodgson, Weber, and that one's numbered. So we have a rookie ticket, I think they're called. 99 out of 100 for Roberto Luongo for the Vancouver Canucks. Vancouver is DJ Nell's money. So that's what that one looks like. Gaborik and Kessel. All right, we got Hiller. We have Nash. For Colorado Avalanche, we got a four-way. There we go, four-way auto for Colorado. And that is Bummer Boy. We have Nathan McKinnon on top. McKinnon, we have Jaguar, Calvin Pickard, and Michael Scarboza. So there we go, four-way auto for Avalanche. There you go, Jack. Very nice. All right. Let's get some more action going on here. Again, that's two autos. There's supposed to be three, but I haven't seen a box come out with only three yet, so hopefully we've got more good things to come. Lars Eller, Shane Doan, and for the Dallas Stars, another goalie autograph. Christopher Nielstrup for Dallas. That's Paul. So that's our third auto. Doughty. Those look the same. Those are base cards. Joffrey Lupul, Stafford. Tyler Seguin, and Bogosian, and Tim Thomas in Florida. Okay, so that's the last base pack, I hope. Somebody said there was one left. Bernier, Miller, Fisher, Couture, and Yager. Yeah, all base. Oh, three base left, okay. And Jack Campbell. Simon Fool. Perry. Callahan. And we have a Heart Contenders, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins out of $4.99 for Edmonton. Brown and Stahl. Now that one is like double thick, and it's I'll put that on the bottom. That's yeah, heck with it. Open it as package. Probably a double spacer. Nope, it's a book. We're saving that one. Unless it's a very, very clean-cut spacer. I hope I haven't ruined it for everybody. I have been fooled before. Okposo, Datsuk, Patty Kane, spacer, and Getzlaf Pavelec. Unless I'm fooled with a very clean-cut, clean-edged spacers. I think it's a book. All right, we have Rask, Tavares, Zetterberg, Bishop, and Gagne, all base. And the final thin little pack here. Hossa, Pacioretty, and another base, Jack Johnson, Ben, and Solani. Okay, we'll see what this is. Certainly looks like a book. And it is. It is a book. Alright, pull from the back. Base card. Base card. On the front, base, base, another base, and the book. It is Contenders Matchups. Of between Florida and Tampa Bay. Tampa Bay is Argentine, and Florida, I believe, it was Paul. Nope, sorry. That is Johnny Canucks. We have Huberdeau, Bugstad, Killorn, and Johnson. Contenders matchups. So that will have to be random. That'll have to be random. And it is numbered 96 out of 99. Okay, so as per rule, we pull out my fancy dancy NHL team deck. I will shuffle and I will cut with my referee on instead. I start drawing cards off the top. Whatever team pops up first, either Florida or Tampa Bay, wins that card. That is my random. That's how I do my randoms. Both are new to my break, so if you want to check the listing, that's how it's listed on my listing. How I do it. Okay. On instead for the cuts. Good luck. Florida, Tampa Bay. Who's it going to be? Columbus. No. Oilers. Florida. And that is Johnny Canucks. So congratulations, my friend. Bullwinkle, that card is yours. Megan Fox is not in it, no. So one last look at the Contenders matchups for Johnny Canucks, a.k.a. Bullwinkle. There you go. That is yours. All right, so that is a conclusion. Oh, I guess I better show this to show you that Tampa Bay was in the deck. For authenticity. There's Tampa Bay. Fortunately, luck was with Florida. And who? Arnis Ed Hockley, NFL referee, Mr. Pipes. It's my referee card. Okay, so I thank you very much for your support at 643boxbreaks.com. Hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to go search through these base cards to make sure I haven't missed any parallels or anything. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye now.